This year, as AI advancements dominate headlines, Tesla's Optimus robot has emerged as a defining innovation in the humanoid robotics race. While its potential to automate hazardous or repetitive tasks excites many, concerns linger about its societal impact, from job displacement to ethical dilemmas. Elon Musk has repeatedly framed Optimus as a collaborative tool rather than a replacement for humans, envisioning it as a versatile homemaker capable of evolving from basic factory roles to complex household assistants. Initial models will handle simple chores like carrying objects or organizing spaces, but Tesla's long-term vision involves iterative software upgrades enabling Optimus to master thousands of tasks, from cooking meals to assembling electronics. Unlike human workers, these robots operate 24/7 without fatigue, redefining productivity in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. However, Optimus faces stiff competition. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, known for backflips and parkour, remains a lab-bound prototype despite its agility. Meanwhile, startups like Figure AI are making rapid strides. Their Figure 02 robot, equipped with the Helix AI system, already sorts packages in warehouses, self-corrects errors, and shares learned skills across units. Figure AI's focus on low-cost, scalable production mirrors Tesla's strategy, with plans to deploy consumer models by 2027. China's UB Tech and Unitree also threaten Tesla's lead, leveraging agile manufacturing and government support to produce affordable humanoids for retail and hospitality. Tesla's edge lies in vertical integration. Optimus benefits from Tesla's expertise in AI training via its full self-driving neural networks, battery tech, and manufacturing scalability. The robot's design prioritizes practicality, a lightweight 160-pound frame with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery providing a full day of operation. Its hands, featuring 11 degrees of freedom, mimic human dexterity, enabling precise manipulation of tools and objects. The crouched walking posture, often mocked as stiff, actually optimizes energy efficiency and stability, crucial for navigating cluttered homes or uneven terrain. Connectivity is another advantage. Integrated with SpaceX's Starlink, Optimus operates in remote areas without cellular networks, while Tesla's cloud system enables shared memory. For example, if one Optimus learns to troubleshoot a malfunctioning machine in a Texas factory, all robots worldwide gain that knowledge instantly. Businesses could deploy fleets of Optimus units that collaborate seamlessly, one robot restocking shelves while another assists customers, all synced via a central AI. Tesla also plans flexible leasing options, allowing companies to trial robots without upfront costs, a critical factor for small businesses. Despite these innovations, challenges remain. Optimus's current walking speed of 1 meter per second lags behind rivals like Agility Robotics' Digit, which moves at 2 ms. Critics argue that without dramatic improvements in speed and problem-solving, Optimus may struggle outside controlled environment. Public perception is another hurdle. Viral videos of robots stumbling or malfunctioning fuel skepticism. Musk counters that Optimus will undergo rigorous real-world testing in Tesla factories starting in 2025, refining its reliability before consumer release. The economic implications are profound. A $20,000 Optimus Musk target price could replace multiple minimum wage workers, appealing to industries grappling with labor shortages. However, this risks backlash from unions and policymakers. Ethicists also warn of dependency. If robots manage critical infrastructure, a software glitch or hack could paralyze cities. Tesla has yet to detail safeguards against such scenarios, though Musk emphasizes that Optimus will include kill switches and strict human oversight protocols. Looking ahead, Optimus's success hinges on its ability to transcend niche applications. Early adopters might use it for elder care, where it can monitor patients, dispense medication, or provide mobility support. In homes, it could integrate with Tesla's Powerwall and solar roof, maintaining energy systems while performing chores. For Tesla, Optimus isn't just a product, it's a gateway to an ecosystem where robots, EVs, and renewable tech interconnect, creating recurring revenue through software subscriptions and data services. As the 2026 commercial launch approaches, the pressure is on. Competitors are closing in. OpenAI and Microsoft are investing heavily in embodied AI, while Apple explores home robotics. Yet Tesla's ability to mass-produce Optimus at scale, leveraging gigafactories and a $2 billion R&D budget, gives it a unique advantage. Whether Optimus becomes a household staple or a cautionary tale depends on execution. One thing is certain, The age of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction, it's a battlefield where Tesla aims to lead. This year's AI boom has thrust Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot into the spotlight, symbolizing both the promise and peril of advanced robotics. While Optimus garners excitement for its potential to revolutionize industries by handling dangerous, repetitive, or precision-driven tasks, it also sparks debates about economic disruption and ethical risks. Elon Musk positions Optimus as a cooperative partner rather than a threat, a multi-purpose assistant evolving from basic industrial roles to sophisticated household management. Initial models, slated for internal Tesla factory use in 2025, will perform simple logistics like transporting components or cleaning workspaces. Over time, Musk envisions software upgrades enabling Optimus to master thousands of tasks, from cooking customized meals to repairing machinery, all while operating 24/7 without breaks. This relentless efficiency could redefine productivity in sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and healthcare, where labor shortages and safety concerns persist. Yet Optimus enters a crowded arena. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, though agile enough to perform backflips, remains a high-cost prototype with no clear path to mass production. Startups like Figure AI pose a more direct threat. Their Figure 02 robot, powered by the proprietary Helix AI system, already demonstrates warehouse capabilities like package sorting and error correction. With plans to scale production to 100,000 units by 2028, Figure AI targets the same industries as Tesla. Chinese firms like UB Tech and Unitree add pressure, leveraging rapid manufacturing and state subsidies to produce affordable humanoids for retail and hospitality roles. These competitors highlight the global race to dominate robotics, blending AI innovation with cost-effective hardware. Tesla's advantages lie in vertical integration. Optimus benefits from Tesla's autonomous driving AI, refined through billions of real-world miles, alongside battery tech honed in electric vehicles. The robot's design emphasizes practicality. A 160-pound frame with 11 degrees of freedom hands for delicate object manipulation, powered by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery for all-day operation. Its crouched gait, often ridiculed as robotic, actually optimizes stability and energy use, critical for navigating homes or construction sites. Connectivity is another strength. Integrated with SpaceX's Starlink satellite network, Optimus operates in areas lacking cellular coverage, ensuring functionality in remote farms or disaster zones. Tesla's cloud-based shared memory allows instant skill transfer between units. A fix learned by one robot in Berlin propagates globally overnight. Businesses could deploy fleets that collaborate autonomously, one unit inventorying a warehouse while another assists customers, all synced via AI. Challenges remain. Optimus's 1M's walking speed trails rivals like Agility Robotics' Digit 2M per S, limiting its effectiveness in fast-paced environments like busy kitchens or construction sites. Critics argue that without major leaps in real-time problem-solving, Optimus may falter outside scripted tasks. Public perception is another hurdle. Viral videos of robots falling or glitching amplify skepticism. Musk counters that Optimus will undergo rigorous factory testing starting in 2025, refining reliability through real-world scenarios like navigating conveyor belts or handling fragile components. Economically, Optimus could disrupt labor markets. At Musk's target price of $20,000, it undercuts annual human labor costs in many regions, appealing to industries battling worker shortages. However, this risks backlash from unions and policymakers wary of widespread automation. Ethical concerns also loom. Reliance on robots for critical infrastructure could leave systems vulnerable to hacking, systemic failures, or regulatory gaps. While Musk mentions kill switches and human oversight protocols, details on safeguards remain scarce, raising questions about accountability in malfunction scenarios. Looking ahead, Optimus's success hinges on transcending niche applications. Early use cases might include elder care, monitoring vitals, dispensing medication, or assisting mobility. In homes, integration with Tesla's energy products could let Optimus manage solar systems while performing chores. For Tesla, the robot is more than a product, it's a gateway to an ecosystem where Optimus, EVs, and energy solutions interconnect, generating recurring revenue via modular software updates and data-driven services. As the 2026 commercial launch nears, competition intensifies. Tech giants like Google via DeepMind and Apple are investing in embodied AI, while OpenAI explores humanoid-specific algorithms. Yet Tesla's manufacturing scale, with plans to produce millions of Optimus units annually, gives it a unique edge. Whether Optimus becomes a household staple or a cautionary tale depends on execution. The robot must balance capability with affordability, reliability with adaptability, all while navigating regulatory and societal hurdles. One certainty remains: the age of humanoid robotics has arrived, and Tesla aims to lead it not with dystopian visions, but with tools designed to augment human potential.